Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Shark IQ robot is not mapping your home properly or keeps creating the wrong maps, this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you can try in 2026. Now, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to simply delete the old map and start fresh. Sometimes the saved maps get corrupted and cause the wrong navigation. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open the Shark Clean application on your phone. Afterwards, you just have to basically take a look at the map settings. Inside the map settings, you just have to look for the option of the delete button and then click on the delete icon and delete the map. After deleting, simply place the robot on the dock and start a full cleaning cycle to create a new map. Just make sure that you don't interrupt the robot during this first run or the map may not generate correctly. Now your robot needs a complete run to map your home properly. So you need to start cleaning when the battery is 100% charged and avoid stopping it midway or picking it up. Let it cover the entire house in one session so that it can build an accurate layout. Now, mapping also depends heavily on the sensors and the navigations. So you need to remove any small obstacles like wires, shoes, or clutter from the floor. Also make sure that your rooms are well lit, especially during the first mapping run. Low light or blocked paths can also confuse the robot and can create the broken or incomplete maps. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.